The bed and breakfast at the Green Village is a building designed and renovated according to strict criteria of self-sufficiency and respect for the environment, which allows it to offer an affordable, simple, frugal, and essential hospitality. The property is situated inside the residential complex of the Green Village. 90% of our energy comes from renewable resources, solar thermal panels for hot water and heating, along with a thermal wood stove, which also allows us to cook during the winter. Our firewood is gathered on site from dead or fallen trees, keeping our woods clean. We have a small solar photovoltaic system of 4 kW connected to the grid in exchange mode. The outer coat is made mostly out of wood fiber, as well as the roof insulation, vermicelli and gypsum board used for interior walls, making everything transpiring. Double glass windows with gas chamber and high efficiency are in place. The service offered is that of a traditional bed and breakfast in occasional regime. This service is addressed to those who would like to stay for touristic or business purposes. We have 2 rooms and 2 bathrooms available. Furniture is made from recycled materials and natural high-quality finishes. The wood flooring and bamboo certified FSC, under which the low-temperature heating system was applied. Our linens are in certified organic cotton and bamboo. Pillows and mattresses are hypoallergenic and non-synthetic latex. Products for cleaning are made on site. Ashes are an abundant resource during the winter when we use wood for the stove for heating. Lye is a very effective detergent. It's bleaching, degreaser, and a disinfectant. For breakfast, we use organic products, fresh fruit, coffee or tea, rice milk or cow's milk based on availability. We serve sourdough pancakes or an alternative, sourdough bread. It is possible to book through our website www.bbessenziale.com.